20 years ago, the idea of holding a device in our hands that could make calls, take pictures, stream videos, and even guide us through unfamiliar streets seemed straight out of science fiction. Yet today, smartphones are an essential part of our lives. The world has embraced technology at a breathtaking pace, but what comes next will blow your mind. From groundbreaking gadgets to world-changing innovations, we're entering an era where the line between science fiction and reality is almost invisible. So, grab your seat because we're about to explore the inventions that will soon change the world as we know it. Don't go anywhere. It's going to be fascinating. Imagine a television that vanishes when you're not using it. The CC'd N1 luxury TV stunned audiences at CES 2024 with its micro-LED technology and futuristic design. When inactive, the TV retracts into a compact cabinet hidden under the floor. This innovation is not just about aesthetics, it's a vision of seamless integration of technology into our homes. The micro-LED technology ensures brighter displays and stunning contrast, redefining how we experience entertainment. While it currently comes with a hefty $300,000 price tag, advancements like this are paving the way for accessible and revolutionary home gadgets. Think of a 40-inch widescreen display right in front of your eyes, but without the bulk of a traditional monitor. That's what TCL's NXtWear G smart glasses deliver. Using dual micro OLED panels, these glasses simulate a 3D 4K experience, perfect for gaming, movies, or even working on the go. They're lightweight, portable, and immersive, proving that personal cinema experiences are no longer confined to your living room. With built-in speakers, the world is truly at your fingertips. In Finland, a compact autonomous robot called Troja Free is silently revolutionizing city cleanliness. Designed for bike paths and sidewalks, this robot emits zero harmful substances, making it an environmentally friendly urban assistant. As cities grow, such robots promise to maintain urban spaces efficiently, reducing costs and improving living conditions for residents. Parking in crowded cities is a nightmare. Until now. Stanley Robotics introduced an automated parking robot at the Lyon Airport. This robot uses retractable stops to lift and transport cars to available parking spaces. It even considers your flight's return time, ensuring your car is ready when you are. Say goodbye to parking stress. Virtual reality is becoming more immersive, and the Sense Glove Nova 2 takes it to another level. These wireless gloves offer feedback for grip, shock, and even texture, making virtual objects feel real in your hands. Applications span from gaming to professional training in industries like healthcare and engineering, marking a new era of interaction with the digital world. For corporate applications, HeadX G1 VR gloves deliver precise tracking and tactile feedback. These aren't for casual gamers. They're designed to transform industries like virtual prototyping and remote medical training. The potential is immense, and while they're expensive today, mass adoption could bring down costs, making them accessible to more users in the future. Relaxation meets mobility with the Spa Cruzy, a boat that combines a jacuzzi and a fireplace. Powered by an electric motor, it's a dream come true for anyone seeking luxury and tranquility on the water. The customizable options, including hull colors and deck materials, make it an exclusive experience for every buyer. Say goodbye to manual lawn care. The EcoFlow Blade is an intelligent, high-performance electric lawnmower. With app connectivity, you can schedule and control mowing from anywhere, making garden maintenance effortless. Medical technology is advancing rapidly. Devices like the AccuVein AV400 use infrared light to project a real-time map of veins onto the skin's surface, revolutionizing procedures like IV insertions. Such innovations improve accuracy, reduce patient discomfort, and enhance the efficiency of healthcare professionals. Hate brushing your teeth? A new invention promises perfectly clean teeth in just 10 seconds. All you need to do is bite into it and twist a handle, ideal for those on the go or with limited mobility. Seago Innovations introduced solar panels that shrink to 1/8 their size for easy transportation. This portable energy source is perfect for adventurers and those in remote areas. For artists and designers, the modular Monogram Creative Console optimizes workflows, offering customizable tools that adapt to various creative software. The UE Security Smart Drop combines AI and smart technology to revolutionize package deliveries. Equipped with facial recognition and compatibility with voice assistants, it ensures safe and convenient parcel handling. Robots like Louie integrate AI-powered chatbots to serve as personal assistants, providing face tracking, calendar management, and even interactive games. As we've seen, these inventions are just a glimpse of what the future holds. From enhancing daily life to solving complex global challenges, innovation is driving us into a new age of possibilities. So, which invention are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible content on the technologies shaping our future. Until next time, stay curious and keep dreaming big. The future is closer than you think.